Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix hololive dreams game lagging or low FPS stuttering freezing issue on PC. So let's find the solution. So the very first method is to restart our PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart our PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game from the installation folder. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, select it, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. If it doesn't work, you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. After opening the link, you have to enter your graphics details over here and after that click on the find option. So this will search for your graphics cards and after that here you will get the details of graphics cards. You have to simply click on view option and along with details you will get a download option. So simply download it, update your graphics card to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening now or not. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. The game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here and after adding the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you should make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to delete saved game folders. So if there is in a saved game folder, you have to delete it and after that launch the game and check. So you have to go to the game folder and delete the saved folder and then check if the game is launching or working or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click under general. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, so simply click on it and wait for some time. And as you can see, the verifying integrity of file is in progress. You have to wait for some time. So after the verification is completed, now click on the play button of the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here in the left side, you have to click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available for your Windows. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. Wait for some time. After you get this setup successful message, close this. After that you have to restart your PC once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig, press enter. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to the services tab, select hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all. After that go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now here also you have to do the same thing. You have to select the application, and after selecting the application, in the above section you can see disable. Click on disable. After doing this process, go back, click on OK, and after that it's suggested to restart your PC once, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that click on add a desktop app. After that you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application and add it to the list over here. Now once you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game once again and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall hololive Dreams game. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam once again and again reinstall hololive Dreams game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.